the truth.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and I know I look like a mess. This is because I just got out of shower and just dried my hair, and I didn't even brush it yet. A quick tip: never brush your hair wet. Never ever do that because you're just gonna pull a lot of your hair out. This is a bad idea. Dry your hair a little bit before you try and brush it out. Especially if you already colored your hair and it's dry and it's breaking and all of that stuff. I know you already saw the title of this video and you know what's gonna go down here. But before, I wanted to say that I just got out of the shower, and in the shower I had an idea to color my hair because I'm so sick of this color. It's like, I'm not sick of this color, I really love this color, this gray color, but because I tried to color my hair, to bleach my hair at home the last time I did it, it was a fail. Let's just admit it, it was a total fail. I had to color my hair so many times and I ruined it totally. So if you don't know what you're doing, you better go to a professional and he'll do it for you. So the problem is that this part, I didn't bleach it too well, so this part doesn't look like this part. I don't know if you can see on your screen, but this part is a little bit more yellow than this part. Actually, on the screen right now I can see it's almost the same color, but I have this, if you can see, I have this area in the middle that became a little bit like this violet tone. This is because of the silver shampoo that I'm using. If you ever saw a silver shampoo, it has this deep blue, almost purple tone to it, and when you color blonde hair, it becomes silver. But if your hair is too bleached and it's almost white, it becomes this color. So now when I wash my hair with silver shampoo, it becomes more and more violet. I hate it that it's in the middle. If it was like down here, I wouldn't mind because it would look like an ombre, but it's like gray, purple-ish, blue, and gray again. And it looks strange to me. So today I wanted to color my hair, and I don't have a purple color, but what I have is those two colors from Lime Crime. This is the unicorn hair in the shade Chocolate Cherry, and this is the shade Anime. And this is a bright blue, and this one is like cherry tone, like deep cherry tone. This is actually the name of it, Chocolate Cherry, and it looks like it. And I thought if I find the perfect amount of these two and mix them together, I should get a deep purple shade, right? Try to flow with me here. So I'm gonna try and find this perfect amount, this golden middle ground between those colors, so it will look like a deep purple color. And I want to try and do an ombre, so here it would be the darkest, and then it will be a little bit lighter, and then it will melt into this violet something. This color on my hair. This will blend so well with this violet one. So I want this color on the ends, and then it will gradually become lighter till here. So I will like paint this kind of color till here, I think, and then I'll just take the rest, what's gonna be left in the bowl, mix it with some conditioner and try and do a gradual like.
And this is a semi-permanent color, but don't be discouraged by the name. It doesn't mean that it's gonna wash out with one wash. So if you're wearing something you like to wear out, don't, just change your clothes. So I'm wearing this old shirt that I don't care about, and it's blue, so even if I mess it up, you're not gonna see a lot on it.
Let's go. I'm gonna mix a big amount of the color now, and then we're just gonna see again on the white piece of paper how it looks, because my hair is almost white here, so I need to know how it will look. Let's go! There's still no color on my hair, but there's already a lot of color on my hands, so be careful, it stains. But first we gotta brush our hair pretty well so the coloring will go even better. And a great tip, if your hair is already pretty weak from the coloring and it's breaking when you brush it, be very careful and always start from the bottom, and like when the ends are brushed out, only then move on like higher. So I guess I'm gonna color my hair from the front to the back. I'm just gonna take those kind of pieces of hair, color it where I need it, and leave it like this.
Few moments later.
My camera stopped recording, and what I did was I mixed my color with some conditioner so it would be much lighter, and now I'm doing the same thing but backwards. I'm trying to part my hair, and it's a little bit difficult because the hairs are stuck in the color and the colored parts. And I'm putting this mix right here where the color ends. And I'm blending it in like this. Okay, so now I have this purple one, and yeah, I know I don't look my best right now, but I'm gonna be leaving this on my head at least for an hour, I think, and I'll be back in a sec. So this is how it looks for now after I washed the color off, and I actually didn't leave it for 1 whole hour. I left it for like 45 minutes in my hair because I already saw that that's it. And I think the gradient, the ombre effect actually worked pretty well, but we're still gonna dry my hair down and we'll see how it looks on dry hair.
1 eternity later.
So, this is how it turned out, and I am actually so happy how it did. And as you can see, I actually surprisingly have this ombre effect going on my hair. I didn't think I would actually will be able to do this because this is the first time that I'm doing this, and if I can do this, then you can do it too. It means a monkey can do it, because I am so new to this hair coloring stuff, and this is actually the second time that I use those colors, and those kind of colors, sorry. I never had something crazy in my hair. Like I always colored my hair black or blonde or something like this, like a natural color. But I never actually done it myself, and I never did something like this. And this turned out beautiful. And look at this deep purple color on the ends. And it looks awesome. Excuse my hair because it's very dry and I already ruined it. It's ruined by heat and by coloring, but by bleaching. Sorry, not coloring, by bleaching. And I really love how it turned out. It's a little bit higher on the front and on the back. Actually, it's almost the same height, but I was trying to make it look the same height, but as you can see, it's a little bit lower. But I'm not mad at this, and it actually created a pretty nice ombre effect, and I love it! Tell me in the comments below, what do you think? How do you like this color? And this is a pretty cool color that I did with combining 2 colors together, and I think you should try it out. Tell me if you tried those colors, if you tried mixing colors, and how did it go? Tell me. I'm really interested because it's really new to me, and I love it. I'm gonna do a lot more of this. Not like every day, because you know, I want to go out with this hair color a couple of times, and then we'll see what we'll do next. Maybe I'll be a redhead next. We'll see. So yeah guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you didn't already, and don't forget that notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. Whew. This is something new and exciting. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having the time of your life, and we will see each other in the next one. Bye guys.
The truth.